So you might be in a situation where for some reason you're going through and you're typing in your particular Instagram account, and for some reason you're getting a little option somewhere that's telling you that you have the incorrect username or incorrect password. So that in and of itself could be a problem that you might be running into. So if you're going through and if you're typing in some information, you're typing in your username, password, whatever, you might be noticing that for the most part, your username and password might be incorrect. Now, the number one thing I'd recommend doing is to make sure that your particular username that you've typed in and your password are properly actually good. Sometimes your password, sometimes your username may have been incorrect and you might have forgotten it, or there may have been some issues there. So all you're going to want to do is just make sure you've properly typed in both of those things. You can even click on the I right here so you can see your password that you're typing in. This is going to be the main way that you can go and fix this problem. Because if you don't do this, well, that's probably going to be the problem and the issue that you're going to run into. So go ahead and do that, and you want to see if that ends up fixing it. If that doesn't end up doing it, you can also try clicking on the Forgot Password option that's right there. So tap onto Forgot Password. You can go ahead and then type in your phone number, you can type in your email, you can type in your information here, and you should be able to recover your information or recover your account. And you might be able to log in via your phone number or your email if you didn't type in your password or username properly. If that doesn't work, you can also try going through and try updating your Instagram application. Sometimes an older version of Instagram might be giving you some problems, so you might just have to go through and just literally update your Instagram app, and that might end up fixing the problem for you as well. So those are just a few different ways to go and fix this issue. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.